Hey there, fellow cat owners. Today I want to share something that has made my life so much easier, the Litter Genie. If you're tired of dealing with the hassle of daily litter box cleaning, then this is the game changer you've been waiting for. Using the Litter Genie is a breeze. First, you simply scoop the clumps from your cat's litter box as you normally would. Then, instead of throwing them directly into the trash, you open up the Litter Genie and drop the clumps inside. Here's where the magic happens. The Litter Genie's unique design locks in the odor and seals it away. Its built-in antimicrobial technology helps control bacteria, keeping your home smelling fresh and clean. And let me tell you, it really works. When it's time to empty the Litter Genie, it's as simple as pulling the handle. The clumps are sealed inside a continuous bag, so there's no mess or litter escape. It's a hygienic and hassle-free process that saves me from multiple trips to the trash can every day. But what I love most about the Litter Genie is the convenience it brings to my daily routine. Instead of constantly dealing with smelly litter and dirty litter boxes, I can focus on spending quality time with my furry friend. It's a time saver that allows me to enjoy a fresh and pleasant living space. Whether you live in a small apartment or a spacious house, the Litter Genie is a must-have for any cat owner. It keeps the litter box area clean and odor-free, making it a win-win for both you and your cat. If you're ready to say goodbye to the hassle of litter box cleaning, I highly recommend trying the Litter Genie. It's a game changer, and it will simplify your life and provide a clean and fresh environment for you and your feline companion. Trust me, you won't look back once you experience the convenience and cleanliness of the Litter Genie. I've added the link in the description box below if you want to get it. Be sure to like, comment, and hit the notification button for more videos like these. Thanks for watching.